You should feel my heart rate right now. I think we just woke up the neighbors. Are you kidding me, dude? You didn't see him pitch down? No. Oh my god. No, he would have busted me if you didn't see it. You see where the rock wall dips down to the left? Yeah. Dude, he pitched right behind that. Right in that opening, dude. All I saw was like, you know when like a duck is coming in? Yeah. That's what it looked like, dude. Never made a sound. Did you see him when I shot him? Oh yeah. He stood up and I saw the beard and I was just like, you did a big swing, dude. A big swing. Like fast. I was like, oh jeez. Hey, you roost on him, dude.